Hi, I'm Joe DuPont, founder and president of NHOU Protective Coatings.
And I'm Joey DuPont, operations manager.
NHOU is the fastest, least expensive way to add safety and value to your vehicle while sealing out corrosives and eliminating rust.
It's all part of NHOU's lineup of protective products for all vehicles of all stages of life, from top to bottom. If it's worth owning, it's worth protecting.
So let's get those vehicles protected. Today we're going to talk about ceramic coating. This is our patented, made in America formula that will coat your vehicle's painted surface with a micro layer of glass, which will make the surface hydrophobic, easy to clean, and shine like never before.
Your vehicle is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. But the elements, UV rays, rain, mud, salt-treated roads, bird droppings, bugs, and tree sap are all working against you. NHOU Ceramic Coat is lab formulated to create a permanent molecular bond to your vehicle's paint and create a hard, glassy surface that shines and protects like nothing else. Because NHOU Ceramic Coat encapsulates every surface, the first step is to get your paint as perfect as possible. Today, this is called paint correction. With a little patience, you can wash and polish your own vehicle to achieve a thorough, clean vehicle and a bright shine. Now that your paint looks great, it's time to seal in the good and seal out the bad. The first thing you'll notice is that the ceramic coat bottle is very small, but there's actually more than enough in there for any size vehicle. That's because the glass layer is incredibly thin, but incredibly strong. You can use it all over your vehicle, on paint, headlights, and even plastic molding. With your vehicle out of direct sunlight, start by setting out your supplies: the ceramic coat, applicator sponge, microfiber cloth, and a bright flashlight. Apply several drops of ceramic coat to the applicator. Starting with the hood, choose a roughly 2 foot by 2 foot area and gently and smoothly wipe the applicator up and down in a fluid motion. Then repeat the process working side to side. This overlapping process minimalizes the risk of missing any area of the paint. After you've completed the 2 foot by 2 foot area, you'll see the solvent begin to evaporate and dry. Now you can begin to use the microfiber cloth to absorb the excess and spread the ceramic coat. Before moving to the next panel, use a bright flashlight to ensure you didn't miss any spots. For the rest of the vehicle, simply repeat the process, taking your time and inspecting each panel before moving on to the next. Congratulations! Your vehicle now shines like never before because it's literally coated in glass. For the next couple of years, you won't have to think about waxing as you watch rain beat up and roll off. Bug guts, tree sap, bird droppings, even pollen, it all comes right off. Even mud and dirt slide right off, leaving you with a clean, protected, glossy car that keeps its showroom looks year after year. NHOU Protective Coatings. If it's worth owning, it's worth protecting.